You know, one of the key questions that we get asked when we start talking to a customer about their roof, we need to know, is it a metal roof? What's on the metal at this time?
So when we go out, when you call us and we come out to look at your roof, you know, there's a couple things we do. The first thing we like to do, we drive around the building. We're looking for a water source because we have to use water to clean things up. We're looking for a place where we can clean our equipment out. How are we going to access the roof? You know, are we going to have to get a lift? Are we going to have to is a ladder going to access your roof? Do you have an elevator, a staircase inside the building to get on top of the roof? And then once we get on top, we're looking at substrate. We're trying to see, do you have metal? Do you have EPDM, TPO? Because all those different substrates call for different applications.
And the flat roofs are made up of composites. You can have a BUR, you can have a mod bit, you can have a TPO or a PVC membranes already there, but it may be failing. So what do? We take those surfaces, we identify exactly what they are, and then we look at our products. That's why we're going to use acrylic, where there's not a problem with water ponding and you have a low slope scenario. We're going to have urethane, which is a polymer which will add a first layer of watertight sealant with a seamless application. And then you have your top coat and your finish coat, as some people might say. And depending on the roof and the slope and the condition, it could be either acrylic or the silicone.
Just as important it is to have the right application, whether, you know, urethane, your silicones, your acrylics, is to have the right installer. You know, we've sent our installers all over the country to schools, seminars, conferences to really learn how to put this stuff down. Because, you know, anybody can just go out and just slap some coating on some roof, but that doesn't mean this stuff moves, it bends, it shifts. Your roof flexes, the wind blows and will lift and flex these panels. So if you don't use the correct application at the correct point of the roof, this stuff will fail.
So your real components that you're looking for is identify your roof, identify your slope, and identify whether you have ponded water. And then you can identify the best roof system.